हा माझं का 11 पर्यंत 11:30 पर्यंत. Okay, the screen is visible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
मी तुम्हाला एक न्यूमरिक केलं होतं. Now the screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This is the last numerical of journal. Then we will move on the next topic, which is ledger. बघा काल मी तुम्हाला हे न्यूमरिकल सेंड केलं. In that first is Rajesh started a business with cash, machinery and furniture. At that time, all these assets related to cash, machinery and furniture comes under the business. Therefore, all these assets have a debit balance. And who invested on it? कोणी इन्व्हेस्टमेंट केलेली आहे यावरती? तर राजेनी यांच्यावरती इन्व्हेस्टमेंट केलेली आहे. Therefore, we give the Rajesh capital credit balance and all these total, which is 28,000 plus 15,000 plus 4,500 is equal to 47,500. And narration will be the being started a business with cash, machinery and furniture. Then we will move on the another transaction, which is, चला कोण सांगताय पुढचं ट्रान्झॅक्शन काय आहे? B division, na? Why B division? Yes, another transaction which will be the purchase goods from Abhay rupees 6,000 at the rate 10% trade discount. Okay, last lecture मध्ये मी तुम्हाला सांगितलं होतं there are basically two types of discount, cash discount and trade discount. Cash discounts are mentioned in the journal and trade discounts are mentioned only in terms of amount deduction. Okay, therefore the purchase account debited to Abhay account, and when there is a discount, when there is a trade discount, at that time 6,000 will be there. 6,000 वरती किती पर्सेंट सांगितला? 10%. That means 6,000 into 10% is equal to 600, and this 600 is deducted from 6,000. Then we will get 4,500 is the basic balance. Okay, therefore the entry will be the purchase account debited to Abhay account, and narration will be the being goods purchased at 10% trade discount. Okay, is it okay to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then we will move on the another transaction, which is on the 4th May 2019 deposited in Bank of India rupees 19,800. That means cash will be deposited into bank. Okay, when the cash is deposited into bank, the entry will be the bank account debited 19,800 to cash account, 19,800. Okay, then narration will be the being cash deposited into bank. Okay, then sold goods to Vinay rupees 7,500 at the rate 5% trade discount. Again, the trade discount will become at that time the sold goods. When the word sold comes, it means sales have a credit balance. कुणाला आपण सोल्ड केलाय? विनयला. Therefore, the Vinay account debited. How many amount will be there? That is 7,500. 7,500 वरती 5%. How many it is? 7,500 into 5%. सांगा किती? 7,500च्या 5%.
375.
Yes. It is 375 and 375 is deducted from 7,500. Then we will get the amount of 7,100 to 5. Okay, and this is the Vinay account debited rupees 7,100 to 5 to sales account 7,125. Then the narration will be the being goods sold at 5% trade discount. Is it okay to all? Is it okay to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then we will move on the next, which is 7th May 2019. 7th May 2019 will be the sold goods to Mahesh rupees 4,000 at the rate 5% trade discount and 2% cash discount, and the amount received by the check. Received by the check khali underline kara. That means here the bank will become, when the word check is come, it means a bank. Check म्हणजेच काय? Bank. At that time the entry will be, बघा एंट्री काय होणार? बेसिकली सगळ्यात आधी आपण समजून घेऊया, जे काही 4,000 आहे त्या 4,000 वरती 5% ट्रेड डिस्काउंट आहे. बरोबर. सगळ्यात आधी असं जर ट्रान्झॅक्शन आलं की ज्या ट्रान्झॅक्शन मध्ये ट्रेड डिस्काउंट पण आहे आणि कॅश डिस्काउंट पण आहे, ऍट दॅट टाइम यू हॅव टू फर्स्टली कॅल्क्युलेट ट्रेड डिस्काउंट. तुम्ही पहिल्यांदा काय कॅल्क्युलेट करणार आहात? ट्रेड डिस्काउंट. मग 4,000 वरती 5% सांगा किती? It is 200.
200.
That is 4,000 minus 200 is equal to 3,800. 3,800 is the final amount. बरोबर का? आणि मग आता कॅश डिस्काउंट सांगा किती दिलाय? कॅश डिस्काउंट is a 2%. Remember, firstly we calculate the trade discount, then we will calculate the cash discount. Therefore 3,800 वरती 2%. 3,000 into 2% is equal to rupees 76,000 and rupees 76. Rupees 76 is nothing but cash discount, and cash discounts are always mentioned in journal, always mentioned in entry, therefore entry form. Okay, therefore the entry will be the bank account debited. बघा कॅश डिस्काउंट 76 आपल्याला मेन्शन करायचं आहे की नाही? मग 3,800 मधून जर 76 गेले तर किती उरतात? It should be 3,724. Therefore, bank account debited 3,724. Discount allowed debited, किंवा इथे कॅश डिस्काउंट जरी लिहिलं तरी चालेल. Discount allowed account debited 76,000 and to sales 3,800. Is it okay? The narration will be being goods sold at the rate 5% trade discount and 2% cash discount. Okay, then another transaction will be बघा नेक्स्ट ट्रांजेक्शन काय आहे ऑन द 9th May 2019 purchase machinery of rupees 3,300 for cash and spend rupees 150 for transport for machinery. At that time machinery also comes in, बरोबर का? ठीक है. Therefore machinery account debited 3,450 to cash account 3,450. The narration will be the being machinery purchase and paid transportation charges. Then the next 11th, paid rupees 800 as rent, out of which 600 were for office rent and remaining for house rent. Again, the term house rent is nothing but a term personal expenses, and personal expenses of proprietor is known as the term drawing. त्याला काय म्हणतात? ड्रॉइंग असं म्हणतात. Therefore the entry will be the rent. Office rent किती आहे? It should be 600 आणि personal house rent किती आहे? It should be 200. That means it is Rajesh drawing account. त्याला काय म्हणतात? Rajesh drawing account किती आहे? 200 and total of these which is 800 have a credit balance. Okay. Therefore the entry will be the rent account debited 600. Rajesh drawing account debited 200 and to cash 800. Therefore, the narration will be the being rent paid for office and house of Rajesh. Is it clear to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Then we will move on the next transaction, which is paid electricity charges for office rupees 1 to 5. चला कोण सांगताय मला एंट्री? आता पेड ची एंट्री खूप झालेली आहे आणि आता पटकन सांगता आली पाहिजे.
Electricity charges account debit to cash account.
Absolutely right. Electricity charges account debited to cash account, and narration being electricity charges paid. As simple as that. And receive commission from Sudhir rupees 270. कोण सांगता एंट्री? कमिशन रिसीव. कमिशन रिसीव म्हटले की त्याला आपण काय देतो? कुठला बॅलन्स देतो? डेबिट की क्रेडिट?
Credit.
Debit.
Debit balance, ma'am.
क्रेडिट बॅलन्स. क्रेडिट बॅलन्स. क्रेडिट. बघा आता एक तुम्हाला सांगून ठेवते, तुम्ही जर क्लासमध्ये असला असता तर मी तुम्हाला डीप मध्ये सांगितलं असतं. कमिशन रिसीव इज इक्वल टू क्रेडिट बॅलन्स असं नोटबुकच्या वरती लिहून काढा. कमिशन रिसीव इज इक्वल टू क्रेडिट बॅलन्स असं नोटबुकच्या इथे लिहा, म्हणजे लक्षात राहील. तर फोर कमिशन रिसीव झालंय की नाही, म्हणून मग एंट्री काय होणार? कॅश अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू कमिशन अकाउंट 270. कॅश अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू कमिशन अकाउंट 270.
मॅम पण कमिशन रिसीव्ह केलंय, मग व्हॉट कम्स इन ला आपण डेबिट देतो ना.
मग कॅश मिळाली ना आपल्याला, कॅश मिळाली म्हणून आपण कॅशला डेबिट दिलाय ना. कमिशन कोणत्या टर्म मध्ये मिळालंय? कॅशच्या स्वरूपामध्ये, म्हणजे कॅश कम्स इन आहे की नाही? कॅश कम्स इन, therefore we have given डेबिट बॅलन्स.
ओके.
ओके ओके. And 22 date. Paid for advertisement on behalf of money rupees 275. तर आपण सांगता एंट्री? येस, कोण सांगता एंट्री? पेड ऍडव्हर्टाइजमेंट एक्सपेन्सेस ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ मनी. मग ऍडव्हर्टाइजमेंट एक्सपेन्सेस अकाउंट डेबिटेड जरी लिहिलं तरी चालेल, किंवा मनी अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू कॅश अकाउंट लिहिलं तरी चालेल. Being advertisement paid on behalf of money. And next, which is withdraw. Sold goods for cash rupees 1000. Cash account debited to sales account. As simple as that. Being goods sold for cash. Again, the withdraw rupees 200 for personal use. Again, the word personal use means what? Means drawing, and drawing have always debit balance. Drawing la ha kudla balance asto nehmi debit balance asto. Therefore, the entry will be the Rajesh drawing account debited to cash account. Rajesh drawing account debited to cash account, being cash withdraw for personal use. And second last, withdraw from bank rupees 500 for office use. Again, cash account, cash काय झाली आहे?
Comes in.
Goes out.
Cash account debited to bank account, narration लिहून टाका. Okay. Then in the last, paid school fees of a son of Rajesh rupees 385 by check. Again, sonची जी काही स्कूलची फी आहे, it is also personal expenses, and every personal expenses is nothing but the term drawing, and drawing have always debit balance. Therefore, entry will be the Rajesh drawing account debited to bank account. Narration लिहून टाका. बरं, असाइनमेंट देते मी तुम्हाला. असाइनमेंट फर्स्ट असणार आहे, हे जे काही मी तुम्हाला आता राजेचा न्यूमेरिकल दिलेलं आहे जर्नलचं, ते तुम्हाला सेपरेट पेज वरती लिहायचं आहे, सॉल्व्ह करायचं आहे. आधी क्वेश्चन आणि नंतर आन्सर, ही तुमची असाइनमेंट 1 असणार आहे.
मॅम
हा,
असाइनमेंट कधी सबमिट करायची आहे?
असाइनमेंट नेक्स्ट वीक मध्ये.
ओके.
Okay, then we will stop here. Bye. See you all. Have a nice day to all. Have a good day to all. We will see in next lecture.